What's up, online shoppers? You know you have those days where you just want to give yourself access to a spa, but maybe you're too busy or maybe they're too expensive. These are a great little way to turn your shower into a spa. These are the Body Restore Relief Shower Steamers, and they are absolutely awesome. In here, you get 15 individually wrapped shower steamers, and it is eucalyptus and mint. This is one of my go-to steamers that I use when I am starting to feel under the weather and I want to kind of open up all my nasal passages. So if I'm starting to feel stuffy, the scent of these is so strong. I'll actually put them into plastic tubs when I put things away, and it helps what's ever inside the tub to smell more fresh. Sometimes things get kind of stale, and this is a great way to keep the smell nice and pleasant inside. Now what you do is you open up the package like this. Now this is not for going in your tub. This is for standing above it. So you open up the package, you put this right near the floor drain so that the water is going to hit it, and over time the water is going to melt this away to nothing. It's going to release this really beautiful, fresh aromatherapy that's essential oil based. Now because of the menthol and the eucalyptus, you're definitely going to get a bit of that steam and inhalation feeling that's going to open up your passages and help you to relax and maybe help to clear some of that congestion that you've been having. The length of time that the steamer lasts is going to depend on water flow and pressure. It also is going to depend on where you put it on the floor of the shower. So if you put it right over the drain where the water might be beating down on it, it's going to go a lot quicker. If you put it kind of off to the side and have a longer shower, you will be able to enjoy the really nice, relaxing, refreshing scent for longer. Now, another thing I like about these is that I don't find the scent to be overpowering. Sometimes when things are scented, it's like a punch in the face, but this is just a really nice, relaxing, fresh scent. And as far as composition, this is basically made of baking soda, citric acid, menthol, and eucalyptus oil. I think 15 is a pretty generous size as far as what you get in here. And I love to use these for all different purposes. I use them as gifts. They make great stocking stuffers. I also love to take them with me when I travel to bring a little bit of extra luxury to the trips. And when I stay in hotel rooms, I will often put one of these in the shower, run the water as hot as possible, and just let it steam and moisturize that hotel room, because hotel rooms are notoriously dry and hard to sleep in. On top of that, if eucalyptus and mint isn't quite the scent you're looking for, they have a bunch of other scents and aromas that you can use for a variety of different purposes. This one here is definitely one of my favorite ones to use during colds and flu season because of how effective I find these steamers are when I am feeling congested. So if you're looking for something that's a little extra boost when you're not feeling well, or you just want to turn your bathroom shower into a spa, these steamers from Body Restore are definitely a family favorite at my house.